Hello everyone, welcome to Developers Checkpoint. In today's video, we are going to create a demo application of the Kafka Streams. We are going to set up our Kafka cluster on the Confluent cloud, and after that we are going to use K-Streams and K-Tables. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so to start with, we are going to create a Kafka cluster on the Confluent cloud. So we are going to visit the website confluent.cloud/home. I have already created my account here, and this is my dashboard here. So in order to create a Kafka cluster, firstly we have to create the environment. So we will go to the view environment, and inside that environment we will see that we are having a zero cluster. Okay, so I'm going to create a new cluster, and I am going to use this basic configuration for my demo cluster. I am going to host this on the Google Cloud in the US location, and as we are going to create a demo application, so we are going with the single zone availability on this. We are going to skip the payment for now, and we can see all this configuration here, and we will go ahead and launch the cluster. Okay, now we are going to click on the environments on the top here again, and inside our environment we can see that we have having a cluster_0 as a running. Okay, so if we click on here, we can see the entire dashboard here. On the left hand side we can see the entire dashboard here. So firstly we are going to create a topic. So I will click on topics here. Okay, and I will click on create topic. So the name of the first topic will be users, and we will keep the partitions as default as 6, and after that we are going to click on create with defaults. Okay, so we have created our users topic now. After that we are going to data integrations, and we will select connectors, and on the connectors I will write data, and we will get a data gen source. So what data gen is going to do, it will create a demo producer of our topic and is going to push some amount of data in our particular topic. Okay, so we are going to push data in our user topic, so we are going to select this topic and we'll click on continue. We are going with the global access only here only, and we are going to generate the APIs and download it on our local machine. We will click on continue here. This is the template of all the pre-populated topics. Okay, so firstly we are going to create the users topic, so we are going to click here, and the type of record format, so we are going with the Avro serializer here, and we will click on continue, and after that we will confirm the same and will click on continue again. Okay, and we will name this as users data gen, users_data gen. Okay, this will take some amount of cost, so we are going to close everything after our demo is done. So we are going to click on continue again. Okay, so after that we will see our connector name is the user data gen and the status is provisioning. So this will take a bit of time to provision the infrastructure or the producer of our Kafka topic, so we will wait while the status goes to online. Okay, so we got the notification that our user data gen connector is up and running now. So if we go to our topics again and select the user topic, and we click on the messages here, so here we can consume our messages that are being pushed to our Kafka topic. So what we have done till now, so till now we have created a user topic, and after that we have created a connector named as user data gen that is producing the messages to our Kafka topic. Now what we are going to do next, now we are going to create another topic. So let's name the topic as page views. Number of partition will be same as default, and we will click on create with default. Okay, so we have created our page views topic, and we are going to create the connector for the same. Okay, so we will go to the data integration connectors, and after that we are going to click on add connector. In the list of connector I am going to do the same. I am going to select the data gen source. Okay, and we have to populate data in the page views topic, so I will select that. Click on continue, download the credentials for this, and we'll click on continue again. So we are having the templates, so for now we are going to select the page views, and the format will be the Avro. We will click on continue again, continue again. Now we are going to name this as the page view. Okay, so everything is good now, and we will click on continue. So we can see our connector has been created and the status is in the provisioning state. That is, Confluent platform is creating the infrastructure for producing the messages on our particular topic. So we will wait for the time the status goes to running. Okay, Now we got the notification that our page view data gen connector is up and running now. So if we go to topics again and we'll click on page views, and here we are going to select messages, and we can see that we are having messages in our page view topic. Okay, so what we have done till now, we have created two topics and we have created the producer of those topics from the data gen integration. Okay, now let's move to the ksqlDB. So this on the left hand side is the ksqlDB. So I will click on the ksqlDB here. So I am going to have a cluster of myself. So I will click on create cluster myself. The access will be global for now. The name will remain the same. Okay, so our ksqlDB cluster is in the provisioning state right now. So we will give it a bit of time. So it took a bit of time and we can see the status as up and running. Okay, so if we click on the cluster name here and we will come across the editor. Okay, so till now what we have done, we have created two topics. We have created producers for those two topics. So data is flowing into our topics. Now we are going to utilize the power of kSQL and Kafka Streams, and in order to see that how can we process that data on the real time. Okay, so firstly what we are going to do, so firstly we are going to create a stream. Okay, so we are going to use the syntax create a stream and the name of the stream with the Kafka topic, name of the topic, and the format of the, we will click on run query here. Okay, so the name of the topic was incorrect here, so we will go to topics again, and the name of the table was users. So we have users and page views. So we will go to the ksqlDB, click on the cluster name here and change the name here to users with the small u. Click on run query. Okay, so we got the notification that our Kafka stream has been successfully created. Okay, so if we go to streams, we can see the name of our stream, and if we go here and click on the query stream that is on the bottom of the page, we will come across the editor again, and we can see the continuous flow of data here. So all the data that was pushed in our Kafka topic is being consumed by our Kafka streams. Okay, so we are going to perform the same action for our page views topic. So the topic name is page views. So we will go to kSQL, click on the name of the cluster here, and we are going to create the page views stream. So create stream page views, then page views is the name of the stream. The name of the topic is page views and the format is Avro. We will click on run query here again, and we can see that our stream is successfully created. So we have created two streams till now. So if we go to here streams, and we will say page view stream and the user stream. So let's click on page view stream and let's query some data. Okay, so we can see the page view stream here as well populating the data. Okay, so we have created two type of streams here from the respective topics. Now let's have a look at creating our kTable. So we will go to the editor again and we will write this query. So earlier we were creating the stream, now we are creating a table. So create table, the name of the table, the structure of the table, and the Kafka topic that the particular table corresponds for. Okay, so we will stop the existing query and we'll run this query. Okay, so we can see the table has been successfully created now. So if we go to the table sections, we can see user table here. So here is all the information of the user table, and we will click on query table at the bottom. This is going to emit the changes from the user table. This will take a bit of time for processing the data. Now we can see the data from the user topic is populated as a table. So till now we have created streams and tables. So now let's go ahead and utilize both of them. So we are having a Kafka stream of page views and we are having a table of users. So what we are going to do here, we are going to perform an operation where we are going to enrich the page view data with the user data. So if we go to the page view stream, so let's query on the page view stream, we can see the user ID here. So what we are going to do, we are going to enrich the data. Instead of the user ID, we are going to fetch the data of the user from the user table, and we are going to do this operation on the fly. So as soon as the page view event is published, we are going to enrich the data by performing a join with the user table. So we are going to our editor again and we are going to run this query. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a new stream. The name of the stream will be user page views. We are going to perform a left join with the page views and the user table. Okay, so this is the data of our page view. We are having a user ID. We are going to join the user ID of the page view stream with the ID of the user table, and populate that data as a different stream. Okay, so we are going to stop the existing query and we'll click on run query again. So we are going to run this query and we will wait for the confirmation that the query is successfully executed. Okay, so we can see that the query has been successfully created. Now if we go to the stream section, we can see the user page views stream. Okay, now if we go and query this stream, we can see that we have fetched the gender of the user. We have created 2 topics, and after that we created the publisher of those topics. Once the data is populated in a user topic, we are going to have a stream of data from that, and we performed a join on the Kafka stream and kTables on the fly. So guys, that is for the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. See you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.